This is a real opportunity for social enterprise to support the ecosystem around the production, installation, user education, servicing, and recycling of these solar lamps. To this end, I have directed the HOPE program to develop a national service corps to support all elements of this program and to work with existing social entrepreneurs in this area. These would include members of our Jamaican diaspora, such as Nathaniel Peat of GeNNex, which is a renewable energy company that is providing this very service in countries in Africa. We are not just giving solar lamps. We want to make it so convenient and practical to use these solar lamps that households no longer use open flame lighting sources such as candles and lamps. After the full implementation of this program,